Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best grandparent gifts is probably one of the most difficult things to pick, especially when your grandparents already seem to have everything. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explore a curated selection of unique and thoughtful gift ideas that go beyond the ordinary, focusing on experiences, personalized touches, and items that cater to their specific interests and hobbies, ensuring you find the perfect present to show your love and appreciation. Number 5. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit. Capture precious moments and create a lasting memory with our all-inclusive hand casting kit. It's perfect for couples, mothers, and anyone you cherish. This kit has everything you need for a fun and easy crafting experience. You'll find molding powder, casting stone, tools, and easy-to-follow instructions. Celebrate Mother's Day with a unique and heartfelt gift. It's a DIY keepsake she'll treasure forever. It accurately captures every detail, from fingerprints to lines, thanks to our high-quality molding gel. A detailed video guide ensures professional results. Ideal for couples, this kit provides a unique and memorable bonding experience. Create a timeless keepsake celebrating your love. It makes a perfect gift for mom, your girlfriend, boyfriend, or anyone special. It's versatile for all occasions. This kit contains calcium sulfate, talc, and silicon dioxide. Please handle with care and follow instructions. What we like? It's an all-inclusive kit, easy to follow instructions, and creates a beautiful keepsake. If you are looking for a unique and memorable gift that captures special moments, this is perfect for couples or individuals who cherish sentimental items. It's ideal for creating a lasting memory that will be treasured for years to come. What people say. High-quality materials. The kit includes everything you need, including molding powder, casting material, and easy-to-follow instructions, all packaged neatly. The process is simple and enjoyable, making it great for couples or families to do together. It also does not require a lot of time or special skills. The details are incredible, they look so much like our hands. Number 4. LeafLife Premium Bamboo Tea Bottle. This stylish and eco-friendly tumbler is perfect for tea lovers on the go. It's durable, keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours, and features a unique bamboo design. It boasts double-walled vacuum insulation, keeping your beverages hot for 12 hours or cold for 24 hours. Enjoy your favorite drinks at the perfect temperature, anytime, anywhere. It comes with a detachable, 2-piece tea infuser, allowing for 3 different brewing methods, short, long, or tea bag infusion. It's also great for fruit-infused water. Made from 100% organic bamboo and food-grade stainless steel, it's a non-toxic and earth-friendly alternative to plastic bottles. It's BPA and lead-free certified. This unique and practical tumbler makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Surprise your loved ones with a sustainable and stylish present they'll truly appreciate. Hand wash with soapy water to maintain its beautiful bamboo finish. We stand behind our product and offer excellent customer service, ensuring a risk-free purchase. What we like? This tumbler keeps drinks hot or cold for hours and is made from sustainable bamboo. If you are looking for a practical and eco-conscious gift for a tea lover, this is the perfect choice. It's suitable for anyone who appreciates quality craftsmanship and enjoys their beverages on the go. What people say. The loose leaf tea thermos is an ingenious invention. So far so good as for ease of use, and the wood grain aesthetic sets it apart. Holds temperature well. I can put my water or my hot tea in this and drive to my job about 25 miles away in mid to heavy traffic and still enjoy a hot cup of tea when I reach my destination. Keeps the temperature well. It's a nice size and fits in my cup holder. The strainer basket works well for loose leaves. Drinks stay the temperature you want them to all day and more. The design is minimalist, sleek and simply beautiful. The stainless steel mesh infuser and strainer are perfect for even the finest ground tea and coffee beans. The tumbler is also perfect for water. The quality is so obviously great all around. Number 3. Knock Knock Grandma Book. Looking for a unique and heartfelt gift for grandma? This fill-in-the-blank book is the perfect way to show your love and appreciation. Simply complete each line to describe why your grandma is so special. It's easy and fun. Make it sweet, serious, or sentimental, it's entirely up to you. This gift will be uniquely personal. This little book is a wonderful keepsake that Grandma will cherish forever. It's a gift that shows you put thought and care into it. It's ideal for birthdays, Mother's Day, or just because. Show your love to your grandma, Nana, Grammy, or Bubby. Knock Knock creates clever and fun gifts. This book is a perfect example of their commitment to humor and creativity. It features a sturdy hardcover with a removable clear plastic jacket to protect it. It's small and portable, perfect for taking with you. With 112 pages, there's plenty of space to express all your love and admiration for your grandma. What we like. It's a sweet and simple way to express your love and appreciation. If you are looking for a heartfelt and personalized gift that shows how much you care, this is a great option. It's perfect for grandmothers who appreciate thoughtful and unique presents. What people say. The book itself, it's the size of your hand. It is small in nature but perfect gift. This was a beautiful gift keepsake from my kids to their great-grandma. Very good quality and fun, special questions to answer. This was a thoughtful and unique gift. The Knock Knock What I Love About Grandma Fill-in-the-Blank book provides a fun and interactive way to express your appreciation. It's a small but meaningful keepsake that she'll cherish for years to come. Number 2. 3D Crystal Photo. Turn your favorite photos into breathtaking 3D crystal keepsakes. It's a mesmerizing way to preserve precious memories and celebrate special occasions. This is expertly crafted from top-tier K9 crystal glass, using advanced laser engraving technology. The result is a stunning, high-quality piece that will last. Watch your photo come alive with a magical 3D effect. Rotate it and see the enchanting optical illusion. It's truly a unique and captivating gift. It's crafted with dedication by our expert team, ensuring unparalleled quality and service. Each piece is made with care and attention to detail. Perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion, it's a gift that truly speaks from the heart. Make your celebrations unforgettable. Choose the size that best suits your needs and preferences. No matter the size, you can expect the same exquisite craftsmanship. What we like. It transforms your cherished photos into a stunning 3D crystal keepsake. If you're looking for a truly unique and personalized gift that will be treasured for years to come, this is a perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate high-quality, visually stunning gifts. What people say. The picture is clear. The design is detailed and looks beautiful, making it a special keepsake. It's well made and feels sturdy, perfect for displaying at home or giving as a meaningful gift. The laser-etched picture gives a great amount of detail, and it also allows you to create your own personal message. The quality of this product is top tier. Number 1. Duncan and Stone Legacy Journal. It's the perfect way to reflect on your experiences and document your life for your grandchildren. This journal makes preserving your memories easy and enjoyable. Answer the prompted questions and share your unique journey. Add photos or personal notes to make it a cherished keepsake. This linen-bound hardcover journal features elegant gold embossing. Its 85 pages provide ample space for your stories and photos. It includes 6 thoughtfully organized sections with guided prompts, space for a family tree, and a personal timeline. It's designed to help you tell your complete story. This journal offers a timeless way to share your life journey with your loved ones. It's a perfect gift for creating lasting connections with future generations. This journal is more than just a book, it's a treasured heirloom, preserving your life story for generations to come. Order yours today. What we like. It's a beautiful way to preserve family memories and stories for generations to come. If you are looking for a meaningful and lasting gift that encourages reflection and storytelling, this is a perfect choice. It's ideal for grandparents who want to share their life experiences with their loved ones. What people say. From the elegant ivory cover to the 85 pages filled with prompts and spaces for photos, this journal is a testament to the importance of family legacy. Each page is a journey down memory lane, with thoughtful prompts that inspire reminiscence and reflection. Whether it's recalling cherished family traditions or sharing life lessons learned, this journal provides a beautiful space to capture the essence of our family story. The questions that are asked and the way in which they are organized takes you through the process of creating your autobiography, leaving something for those who follow so that they might learn from your experience and remember that you did exist. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.